Hi YouTubers watching this. Today I'm going to be talking about tornadoes, which is also called tornadoes. And did you know that the worst tornado was in Bangladesh? And 1,300 people were killed and more than 20 villages were destroyed. That's very sad, wasn't it? Well, what you can know is what we know right now is how tornadoes are formed. Tornadoes are formed when warm, moisture air go and cool, dry air mix together and make a funnel shape. And then, so it starts out like a tube. Then the hot moist air goes up, making a vortex, and that's called an updraft. And then when the little pointy thing goes down, it's called a touchdown. And then it does what it does best. It destroys everything in its path. And it forms in the big thunderstorm called a supercell. And to keep safe, you must go in shelter and go in a sturdy place, like under a table, and crouch down until the tornado is over. And that's all you need to know about tornadoes, which is also called twisters. Don't forget that. And bye! And once again, my name's Kaua. I remember to click here to subscribe to my other videos.